that most of your viewers, or you don't have views on the videos you took time to upload, just know that this is the problem. Many of your subscribers, they don't get your notifications, okay? Because of this technology stuff I told you about, it's not always effective. So that is why it's very important. How to fix that problem is make use of your social media accounts, make use of your Facebook, make use of your Twitter, make use of your Instagram accounts. If you find out that it's not really running very well, what I mean, like you're not, like it's not, nothing is going on your Facebook, like you don't post often, you don't, this is the right time for you now to start using those your Facebook accounts, use your social what's it called, your Instagram account, post, make it effective. All right, post, make it effective, because this is just only way. Then by the time you upload a video, go and make sure that you post these videos on your Facebook, post these videos on your Twitter. If you don't have Twitter account, it's very important that you open a Twitter account. It's very, very important that you open this. I know it's not really easy to be involved in this, social media like Facebook. Only you will open Facebook. Only you will open what's they call Twitter account. So if you don't have a Twitter account, this is very important that you open a Twitter account right now, because when the time you upload these videos, you need those Facebook accounts, you need the Twitter, you need the Instagram account to post your videos. Okay, post those videos there, because if you think that it's not going to like your videos, because you know what it takes to upload a video, you know what it takes to make up a video. So this is why this is just one of those solutions that you need to make, like write it down, take note of, post those videos on your Facebook, post those videos on your Instagram. Always make sure that your Instagram account is running and effective. Yes, Jovo Queen, you're welcome to this very broadcast. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you very much. So this is just what you should do. Make use of those your Facebook accounts. Make use of your Instagram account. Make use of your Twitter account. If you don't have Twitter, a lot of us don't have Twitter. Open that Twitter account and start posting those videos there. Make yourself relevant on your social media accounts. Okay. So another thing that is also a problem most of our YouTubers experience is your viewership isn't consistent. Like a lot of us will post videos and your views are not consistent. Like where I live right now, I live in Italy. Their basic language, we all know that is Italian. This is their basic language here. Most of them is English is not their original primary language. Okay, so I find it difficult. I feel this might be the reason why I don't have most views on my videos. For me, I don't know about other people. Okay, there's a lot of people that have been blessed when they upload a video, viewers will just start coming up. But for me, I need to start posting my videos to different platforms before I'll be able to meet up on those views. And views are number one thing that YouTube always look into before you start earning the currency, or maybe if you're not yet being monetized. All right, those views, it makes your your watch hour to increase. So if you have much views, your watch hour begin to increase for those that have not yet been monetized. For those already that are monetized, with the views, it's very important that your revenue will increase more. So that is just what you should understand. Yes, ALS personal development and relaxable music. You're welcome. Thank you very much for turning up this very broadcast. Thank you very much for joining us. You're going to really benefit. If you don't have the time to to stay behind and hear more what I have to say and the common problems and how to face them, please, you do well to revisit this very video. It's going to really do you well. So these are number one thing I addressed. I said a consistent viewership, like you don't have much views on your videos, you are consistent. Some of them people will tell us that we should be consistent. We should also make sure that we improve on our videos. We have done everything and yet nothing is working. So these might be the reasons why you don't have much views on your videos. Number one thing I already talked about, the notification bell that YouTube have placed for us, like a feature that people should always click on for them to get notified. These are one of those reasons why you don't have much views. Make use of your Facebook and also your social media accounts. So number one reason why you have these problems that you don't improve so much on your views is your viewership isn't consistent. Like they're not consistent. Today you're seeing much views, today you're not seeing more views. So what I wrote here, I said a consistent viewership is important because videos that get more views that day you have uploaded will appear as suggested videos. When you make up a video and you upload it, immediately you upload it, you are having like within an hour. If you have 30 views on that very video, just know that YouTube is going to put that very video as a suggested video. This is what you should know. They must put it up as because they found out that it's relevant for the society, all right? It's relevant for your viewers. So they will put it on on suggested videos for people to to watch. Okay, so if your subscribers don't know when to expect a new video, they may not be able to make the time to watch it until a few days later. So make sure your videos become a part of your viewers' weekly schemes. What this means is just that if you find out that you don't have much views, or YouTube are not putting up your video to be suggested, or for you now to meet all that criteria for your videos to be as a suggested videos to YouTube, what you have to do, please notify your viewers. Notify those that subscribe to you, like notify them the days that you upload. For me, I feel it's just really going to help out too. Notify them if you find out that you don't have more views. And I already addressed the number 1 point. Number 2 point is what I'm addressing right now. Most of this viewership, by the time you upload those videos and they don't get it, you have to please do your own part by telling them the days that you upload. I know that a lot of us we upload at any time and at any time and at anywhere, okay? But do your if you are uploading kind of a YouTuber that uploads every Mondays, please notify them. Hand it best for Jesus. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, please notify them. It's very important so that they will go and search them. They will themselves. They will go and search it on their search button on their YouTube, feature. That's like on Mondays are the days you are posting. Wednesdays are the day you are posting. Fridays are the days they are posting. So nobody will tell them, okay, that you have uploaded video. The next thing they will do, if it's on Mondays, they will just go and search your videos and and search it out and look if you uploaded a new video. So these are going to be one of those things criteria you have to please look into. It says you pick a specific day or days of the week and a general time frame that works best for your audience, the one that works best, and for you to know what your videos that you are posting. It's not just you that are improving or like going to benefit. It's the viewers that are benefiting. They are the ones that you are putting up these videos for. So they are number one persons that are very, very important that you go close to them more to know the days that they really love. And that's why a community tab is there. It's there for us. You can just tell them, please, what are the days that you want me to upload these videos? If, for instance, they come up and they tell you, okay, we want Mondays. Some of us don't even use our community tab. That is the problem. They felt that community tab is just that YouTube have reasons for all these features that they created. Go there, please put up there. Tell them on Mondays are the day I'm going to be posting my video, because I'm just trying to see how I can fix this problem. Why a lot of us don't have views on our videos. Okay, go to your community, tell them on Monday, Wednesdays are the day. If I don't come up on Monday, or you can ask them what days will be very convenient for me to post my videos. They can come there, and because it's just like a place where you can communicate. Community tab is just a place where you communicate with your audience. Okay, ask them a question, tell them what you love. Okay, what they love, what they love, because it's because of them that you are putting up these videos, not because of yourself. Communicate with them through the community tab. Tell them on Mondays or Wednesdays when at their time and choice that they will love you to post your videos. So I think this number 2 points is really going to help for you to improve on your views. Okay, so number 3 point is you want to make more videos on old trends, like this trending, like. Please make sure this number 3 thing is very important. Trending topics is far way more important for you to get more views on your videos. Trending topics, YouTube already have created that for us on our various YouTube tab. They created this trending topics. Go up there. I know that sometimes when you go and search up these trending topics and you put it up, a time will come when those videos will be very, very good. That is just the truth, because anything new always incites. People want to watch it. People want to know what it's all about, and that's why very important that you improve. If you find out that those trending topics at the time will come, people are the audience interest on that very videos are going down. Why? Because a lot of people trending topics is just a topic where when people, because the way you are searching it, other people are also searching it. When they search it and they put up those videos, find out a lot of people it's rampant everywhere. And when people search this topic and search this and they find out that it's everybody have done it. So your own part, the only way that you can help yourself for those videos to look old, like in the eyes of people, the only way you can improve, like for instance, you find out that there is something they call this baby stuff they call I don't know whether it's Lego or so. I don't know, this game that they play. So a lot of people have improved on that. You can do what's it called? You can do reaction topics. Okay, with that very videos, you can react to it. I don't know what they call. There's a gaming they do now on YouTube. Okay, you can improve on that very video. If it's a DIY, because DIY always works on various channels. DIY helps and it works. Okay, it just what works. That's what we are trying to address. After we are addressing the problem, we address how we can, avoid those problems. DIY works. We know that a lot of videos that does so well with DIYs. Okay, there's a way you can improve on that very DIY because it's a trending topic. Improve on it. By the time you find out a video and it's a trending topic, you also have to do your own part by improving on those videos. Do your own, like use your own initiative to make it different. Even if at all it's populated everywhere, those trending videos, do your own part to make it improve. Like let it have weight that will make people focus on that very video. Okay, so these are just the things that you can also do to improve on your video, your views on your videos. Okay, improve on it. Like there's one that I talked about, I saw on this makeup topics. Also, makeup does so well for people that are into makeup, cosmetics, and the rest of them. So people now that's been populated. A lot of people are started doing makeup. In fact, people are really tired of watching because you have a lot of people that are doing it. So you have to improve yourself. If it has to do with voiceover, you can use voiceover, okay, to make your own different, all right, from other people on this trending topic stuff. So the first one is you can't afford to fund those videos you want to make, like those videos you want people to view it more. If you don't understand, a lot of people, they make videos and they need money. Yes. Oh, thank you very much, Solange Desmond. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm just in this chat because yes, hello, Magnify Designs. Thank you, my beautiful sister. Thank you for joining me. Thank you very much. I appreciate what you have done. Thank you, Solange Desmond. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm going to get back to you. I'm just trying to focus so that I will not forget a lot of things. Okay. So the fourth point I'm going to also mention, you can't afford to, like a lot of people, they do these videos. They need money to sponsor those videos. You know what I mean by that? Like you want quality because, like I said before, people join YouTube because it's a means of being self-employed, like job for you to be self-employed, and you know what it means. Being self-employed, you have time of your will, time of yourself to do whatever you don't need a boss that will come and instruct you up and down. They're pushing you up and giving you time to, time that you have to travel, time that you have to, excuses here and there. Okay. So this is what YouTube have done for us. And a lot of us, since this pandemic, a lot of populated, in fact, people have joined YouTube right now. We have a lot of people, okay, displaying their, their own, Yes, you're welcome. Yes, you can bake. At the same time, please you can also bake. Okay, you can also bake. Okay, so this is just the fourth point I told you about. I said you can't afford to fund those videos. Like a lot of people, they use money. If you don't know, if you see these people that have million views, they're improving on their video using their own fund. They fund those videos, like they use money to improve those videos. You don't know, like their background, like you see this background. I know a time will come, I'm not going to be using this background because I need to invest. A lot of us, they invest using camera, they invest using background, they invest using different things because you need to spend money to make money. I understand. So if you find out that maybe, for instance, you can't afford to sponsor those videos through phone, that's why a lot of us, they started opening Patreon accounts. We have people that have opened Patreon account. They place their link there on their very videos. And as a monetized channel, if you're already monetized, you know what also YouTube has provided for us. This what's it called? This membership button. That is just what they have provided for us too. You can also use that to make money for yourself, to improve on your videos. I'm talking about those people that use money to make videos. Okay, you can open Patreon account. You can also use your membership button if you are already monetized on your channel, okay, to create more fund for your videos, for you to improve on it. So I just wrote something. I said it is not just up and coming creators who struggle to fund their more ambitious projects. Okay, a lot of people have this problem. You say YouTube income wasn't enough. The money that YouTube give us isn't enough for you to make videos. I'm talking about, I know a lot of us, they go to YouTube and we've seen a lot of channel that have views. You'll be alarming, like Dark Kings TV. Thank you very much for joining me on today's broadcast. You're going to learn. If you're just coming in, please try and revisit this very video so that if a lot of things that I've said. You can revisit it to, get more ideas. Okay, so that's why, as I said, launch a Patreon account for your channel. Also, will make you, make, because YouTube doesn't pay like, if you like we that are just starting up, YouTube doesn't pay us well. So if you want to use fund, like you want to improve on your videos, you can use money to sponsor your videos, like your background, like your camera make, and other things that comes like a lightning. Okay, all these things are the things that do, because like I said before, use money to, you use money to make money. Okay, so like we that are just coming up now, talking about we YouTubers are not like YouTube are not paying us more this time around. So that's why, for you to increase more on your video quality and you want to use money to fund that very video, you open a Patreon account. Another thing is also use your membership button if you're already monetized, okay, on your videos. And please, if you're not yet been monetized, try and join groups. Don't be by yourself, okay? Try and join groups, all right, for you to be, to follow trend for your videos to be monetized soon, for you to have much watch hour, because this YouTube is not what you can do alone. If you are the type of person that you want to be yourself, you want to be on your own, it's very, very going to be difficult for you. So join groups, try and improve yourself by joining groups for people to, to help you to get to your watch hours. So I've treated the fourth one. So the fifth one, I said you are running out of video ideas. These are just one of those things that will affect your views. A lot of people right now, they uploaded video ideas that you can also go and check out. And by the time you check out those videos, it's already populated videos. It's a video that have gone everywhere. It's a public video, you understand what I mean? So it's a video already that are populated. People have looked into the video, they've seen it everywhere. So another thing that you have to, for you to, when you are running out of video ideas, also is going to affect your views, because people join that very channel, they find out that what you are doing well. And when you are running out of ideas on your video, please try and improve yourself by going and doing some research on various channels that uploads this very topic, the video trend and video ideas that you can upload. I wrote here, I said, for every vlogger, there comes a time when you simply feel as if you have run out of ideas on what you have to upload on your videos. So scrolling through feed, it may seem as if every great video ideas has already been done. When you are scrolling to YouTube, you find out that you want to do this video, and you go to YouTube, you find out that somebody else has already uploaded that kind of video. You go to this, you see that other people, somebody else has already uploaded that kind of video. So what you have to do right now is have to make sure that you kickstart your own creativity. Create your own. That is what YouTube have done for us. YouTube will not make you to be a creative person. Like when you find out that you have run out of ideas on those videos and you have checked all the videos, find out that it's rampant, you have to use your own self-initiative to create and make it creative for people to not see that it's quite different from others. It also affects your views. Okay, so remind yourself why you started making videos in the first place. You know why you opened your own video, your own channel. Okay, remind yourself of that. Try and improve yourself, except if you don't have any future in this very platform, on this industry. You might just simply give up. In life, not just only as a YouTuber, in life, there are a lot of things that will make you give up on what you want to become in future. Okay, you have to stay still and improve yourself. So you started this career because your brain has a never-ending stream of video ideas. This is the reason why you started this career, for you to improve yourself. Like I said, I'm a I like staying on my own. I don't like, coming out on public. But what YouTube have done for me, I can't overemphasize, because now I'm able to, to face the camera. I'm bringing out my gifts every day. I'm improving. I'm sure a lot of us are also in the same situation. So try and if you are facing a problem on vlogging career and you are not alone, look out for other creators. Look out for other creators. Try and engage with them. Look at videos. Look on how you have to improve it. Look out for other creators and see how they have overcome their similar issue. The similar issue that you have. Look out for other. Yes, thank you very much. Comfort Zone Lifestyle. Thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate you so very much. If you are just coming in, I've said a lot of things today on this very topic. Go and revisit this video so that you get more ideas on how to improve your videos. So a lot of us already have given up, like you are tired. You will take time, do your videos, make sure that everything is lit. And at the end of the day, you find out that there's no views on those videos. So I've mentioned a lot of things. Like I said before, the first one I said, make sure that you are relevant on your social media accounts. If you're that kind of person that is not like, you don't like bringing on yourself on public, just know because some people, they just join YouTube because people entered YouTube. Okay, money is, they tell you money is on YouTube. Let's join YouTube. Why some people, they just want to be self-employed. They have main jobs, but they want to use this very YouTube industry just to create another stream of income for themselves. Okay, so views might just be the really reason why you want to give up on it. So a lot of us are experiencing that. So I said that please make sure that if you don't have Twitter account, make sure, because a lot of our subscribers, they tell you that they don't get your notification. And I told you when I started, I said most of this technology that YouTube have created for us are not effective. They are not effective. Sometimes it might have some kind of problems, and there's nothing else you can do if not just to fall back on your social media account. Whenever you post a video, please try and make sure that you post it on Facebook. I know that a lot of us, thank you very much, Jesse TV's Obiang. Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you very much for joining me this. I know it's already late, and you all took our time to still be here. That is what we do here. Please, you try and support each other. Thank you very much. So please, we should try and see how we can improve ourselves on this very. Don't give up. Just continue to be yourself. Okay. Try and use your social media accounts. Post it there. I know a lot of us, they will say, how many times am I going to post? A lot of us, we have WhatsApp group. WhatsApp. A lot of us, we have Facebook. Some have Twitter. Some have Instagram. If you are not relevant on those very platforms, please try and be relevant right now. It's far more going to be better for you on your views than before. I know that sometimes when I share my videos on WhatsApp, I know some of them don't even open it. Why? Because they already know what I posted. I don't know how many of us are expressing this challenge. Most of this video link that you sent and you share out, my own, if I share on WhatsApp group, some don't even open it. Why? Because they say, I already know what this woman is about to share. So by the time you are done with your WhatsApp, you can also use your Facebook. And please try as much as you can. Like I told you before, you are not a public person. Since you have decided your own that you want to be a YouTuber, just know that you are out of your comfort zone entirely. Now you are a public person. Don't be shy. By the time you post on your WhatsApp group and nobody's opening it, don't give up. Go into your Facebook account, post there as much as you can, and accept friends' requests. A lot of us are scared because we know that before, when we are not a YouTuber, when somebody sends a request, we are trying to assess who this person is. We don't know that this person is a 419 or so. So please, you should try and accept friend requests. Go to their Facebook where they make, like, you can add friends. Go and check their profile. Please try and check their profile. If they are a public person and they love what you share, they can even share that video. By the time you share it to them, you add them as friends. They can even help you share those videos. Why? Because they are public figure. You can go to your Instagram. There's a way right now, they said that Instagram, there's a way you can increase your what's it called, your capacity for you to have more viewer. How do I say it? For you to have more backup, like, I don't know, more people that will be watching you on Instagram. Make use of that Instagram account. Post everything that you want to post on the Instagram account. It doesn't make, go and add friends, add more friends, because right now you know yourself. You are not yourself. You are not a public figure. If you don't know, because you, as a YouTuber, sometimes a lot of us, this how do I say, a lot of us that have become big on this very industry, they even go to the market. You see some people telling, I know you. Are you not a YouTuber? I know this. Don't you want to be that? So when you have decided that on your own that you want to become a YouTuber, just know that you don't have any private life anymore. That is just one thing you should know. Don't be scared. Don't be like you are shy. I don't know what people are going to say. No, make use of a Facebook account. It helps. Add friends. Don't feel so superior. I don't want to have this friend. No, because except if you don't want to have more views. And those of us that are already monetized on this very platform, this very industry, we all know that views helps our revenue. Views helps our revenue. And if you find out that YouTube right now, let me just say it to YouTube right now, so finding out that a lot of us have joined WhatsApp group. I don't know whether this analytics, a lot of us that are already monetized, you go to your analytics, you find out that your WhatsApp, if you are the type of person that entered these groups, you will find out that most of your engagement are coming from your WhatsApp. Facebook already find out about that. So what you have to do right now, that you have to shift your audience from WhatsApp. Try and use your Facebook account, add friends. Don't be shy, add friends, add them. Just when you add them, you find out that make new friends on Facebook. When you post, because what matters most that if they are able to open, Temi Frosh TV, thank you very much. It's buffering. Oh my God. Really? I still come back. Please, I still come back. Please, I don't know whether it's streaming right now because my friend at Fresh is telling me that the video is buffering. Oh my god, please let it not be because I'm making sense here. So Justice Obiang, you're telling me you don't have Facebook. Really? You don't have Facebook? Please try. Try as much as you can, please, to create a Facebook. Yes. Yes. Jesse's word, yes, yes, very much. And comfort zone lifestyle, yes. I appreciate very much. I appreciate. I came in a very, strong because this thing is really affecting my views. It's affecting my views. So I just had to do research and look for what to do. So I said, no, I will have to share it because we are family. Okay, please. Jesus Obiang TV, please. Are you trying to tell me that you don't have Facebook? Please try and create a Facebook and reactivate that Facebook. It helps. Like I said before, number one reason why a lot of people don't have views, I told you the solution is because this bell sign button that YouTube have, the feature that YouTube have created, doesn't work very well. Like it doesn't work. Yes, you have to, please, Obiang, you have to make use of your Facebook. A lot of us don't have Twitter. It's very, not even Twitter, a lot of social media platforms right now. They have it everywhere right now. Please try and do research. Open a lot of them. Just know that if they're able to open that link, you have added view on your videos. And when you add view on your videos, for those that are not yet being monetized, it's also going to help you watch. Because the more they watch, the more you improve. If you're monetized channel, your revenue improves. Okay, so like I said before, YouTube, I've started finding out that a lot of us have joined groups and most of our engagement are coming from WhatsApp. So that's why you have to redirect yourself and try and know what to do, because some of this bell, it doesn't work. They will click that bell. Some of our viewers, they tell us that they don't have our notification, it doesn't come. Yes, it helps a lot. It helps. Don't say don't be tired. Don't tell yourself that I've posted and posted. Are you sure they are not going to be tired? Don't be tired. Continue posting. And another thing, please, if you're the kind of person that you say you want to maintain just few friends, I don't have time, please. I don't want to make more friends. I don't know that. I don't know. No, please, this is not the time, because now, like I said before, a lot of us open YouTube for the sake of the money. Fine and good. Let's not hide anything out of it, because YouTube also helps us to, to be self-employed. Okay, this is what importance that YouTube have created. Okay, so please try and make sure you open those accounts, run it, add friends on Facebook, add them. This because now you have become a YouTuber. You are no more a private person, like I said. You are now a public person. So make use of that Facebook. Continue to post there. For some of us that have page, please, because right now you see that most of these people that have views on their videos are people already that have been on Facebook for a very long time. Like they started with Facebook. Okay, when they found out that during this pandemic that there's a way they can make money from YouTube, they now directed their engagement to YouTube. So whenever they post videos, they go to their Facebook and post it. And you know what that means. And if you don't know, Facebook have started paying. Facebook is now like YouTube. Okay, they started paying revenue. You just try and open a page. Make sure you run those page. Post there, because right now, don't hide yourself inside. You don't be self-comfortable now, because this time around, money. Yes, thank you very much. My Choice TV, thank you for joining us. So this time around, please, if you don't know, there's a way you can make money now on YouTube. And if you want to make money, you cannot hide. Like, you cannot be an indoor person. Like I told you before. I like being on my own. I like my self-secret. I don't want disclosing myself. I don't like that. But right now, YouTube, because if you want to really improve yourself, the best way is for you to mix up with people, know how to improve yourself. And this is what Facebook and these platforms have done for us. If you find out that most of these views, you don't have views, try and make use of your social media account. Add friends. I'm saying, in fact, this is not before. They were the one that they were adding us before. Most of these people from Facebook, they add us. And it's not everybody that they add. So first of all, try and improve your image on Facebook. Go to your your personal details. Improve yourself. Write new things that will make them